I can't tell you how long I've been waiting for this day. I knew from the beginning of our relationship that I wanted to marry you. You are everything and more I could ever want in a wife. You are beautiful and intelligent, kind, caring, gentle, and compassionate. When I think about the fact that... Sorry, I can't see through the tears. When I think about the fact that later today I get to call you my wife, I can't help but smile. You have brought so much joy into my life. I can only hope to do the same for you. I love you with every fiber of my being, Carson, and I hope to be the best husband possible for you. I look forward to our future together every day. I look forward to kids, vacations, growing old, the whole shebang. I wish I could put into words how much you mean to me, but I can't because I'm just too excited. I guess the important thing is that I love you. You're my best friend. I look forward to our life together. Love, Tyler, aka Clyde.